Hi, Felipe here. Welcome to Cajon Master YouTube channel, the place to learn everything about Cajon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get access to all the content here. Today is a vlog/tutorial. I'd like to share with you some highlights of a concert I played here in Nice, south of France, with a group called CC Project. This is a very cool project where I play some nice electro beats on drums. I'm going to take an extract of this concert where I play a drum and bass groove, and I'm going to show you how I adapt this groove to play on the Cajon. Make sure you watch this video until the end to get your free lesson PDF. Before going to the concert and tutorial, let's explore a bit this beautiful place, Nice, south of France. Come with me, let's go. Let's go to the sound check. I'm here with my friend Sebastian, and let's go and see how it sounds. Let's go and see these drums. Woo, let's go! Are you ready for the drum and bass? So, let's go! To continue this tutorial and learn step by step this drum and bass groove, you just need to click in the link in the description below. After that, you are going to receive your free PDF and your free video tutorial with the drum and bass groove for the Cajon. If you want to learn Cajon from the very beginning, you can sign up now for the Cajon Foundation course, available at cajonmaster.com. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments with suggestions about topics and tutorials you want to see on this channel. This is very important for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.